Hi everyone, it's Charlotte from TVR Software, and today we're going to talk about the 6-month report. You did this report in your first year of your grant cycle, of your 5-year grant cycle. So they're asking for 5 numbers. They want to know how many people were your goal to have under plan, how many people are actually under IPE plan, what was your goal for successful closure, and how many people actually closed successfully. And then the last one is how many unsuccessful people went through your program. So we're going to take a look at that. So I'm going to show you. Let me see if I can pop this up really quick. So this is the video that you can get from AIVR Avertac. And so it's we'll share this link in the newsletter for you all. Probably right underneath this video. So here is the report. So we're going to go to the first part. Whoopsie.
To make 6 months of report
right here.
And put it under raw.
And so you can tell that the first number is proposed number served. And so since this is the 6-month report, you just take the number that's on the dashboard and divide it by 2, and then they're looking for the actual number. Okay, so let's take a look. So your under plan fiscal year is 32, so we just divide that by 2, and that gives us 16. So 16 is the number that we would put in this area here, proposed raw number. All right, and so then what is the actual? So total under plan this fiscal year is 25, because we believe that everyone here, all 4 from this fiscal year and from prior years, are all getting counseling and guidance as a service. If that's true, then your number is 25. So you will be putting 25 in the actual number served here. All those folks got 1 or more services. The next one is how many people did you propose to be successful? So let's go take a look. So successful closure goal is 18, but since we're only dealing with half the month, we're just going to say our goal is 9. And then it has how many people were successful, and we're going to say 3. So it will look like this, 9 and 3. All right, and then let me just go to the last one. This is the last one, and you can see it wants to know how many people were unsuccessfully after going through the program. You leave the first number blank, and then the second number is unsuccessful, 2. So your first number is 32 divided by 2 is 16, as what your goal is for the first 6 months. 25 is your total amount. That's your second number. Your third number is 18 divided by 2, which is 9. That is your successful closure goal. And your true, what's really happened, is 3. And then unsuccessful, the first block is blank, and the second one is 2. I really hope that's helpful, and you have a great day. Thank you. Bye.